Have you ever wondered if just one simple daily habit could save your life? What if I told you that drinking just 1 cup a day of a natural healing drink could help unclog your arteries, improve blood flow, and protect you from a heart attack without expensive pills or surgeries? Stay with me till the end, because today I'll share not just what to drink, but why it works, how it heals your arteries, and how you can reset your heart health. Starting today. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day. It never stops working, not even for a second. But when your arteries start getting clogged with cholesterol, plaque, and inflammation, that same heart has to fight harder to push blood through. Over time, this silent stress can lead to high blood pressure, chest pain, or even a heart attack. The good news? Nature has already given us powerful foods and drinks that can cleanse, nourish, and protect our arteries. And one of these can be made easily in your kitchen, a simple 1 cup daily drink that supports your heart like nothing else. Let's understand what's really happening inside your arteries. When you eat too much processed food, sugar, or unhealthy oils, tiny cracks form in your artery walls. Your body tries to repair them by sending cholesterol and calcium, but over time this repair process turns into plaque buildup. This plaque narrows the arteries, restricting blood flow and oxygen. That's when you feel fatigue, shortness of breath, or chest tightness, warning signs that your arteries are struggling. But here's the thing, your body is not broken. It can heal itself if you remove the cause and nourish it the right way. Now let's talk about that 1 cup a day that can transform your heart health. This drink is a combination of lemon, garlic, ginger, apple cider vinegar, and honey, all known for their artery cleansing and anti-inflammatory benefits. Here's why this works so beautifully. Garlic, nature's best artery cleaner. It reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and prevents new plaque from forming. Ginger improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps dissolve fatty deposits. Lemon, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen artery walls and detoxify your blood. Apple cider vinegar helps balance cholesterol and improves blood vessel elasticity. Ni soothes inflammation and provides gentle natural energy for your heart. Each of these ingredients works together like a team to unclog, repair, and rejuvenate your arteries from the inside out. Here's how to make it. 1. Take 1 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of ginger juice, 1 cup of garlic juice, a cup of apple cider vinegar. Mix them together and heat gently for about 10 minutes. Do not boil. 3. Let it cool, then add 1 cup of natural honey and mix well. 4. Store it in a glass bottle in the fridge. Drink 1 tablespoon or a small cup of this mixture every morning on an empty stomach with warm water. In just a few weeks, people report better energy, lower cholesterol, improved blood pressure, and a lighter, more active heart. Now, this isn't magic. It's science and nature working together. Studies show that garlic compounds like allicin help reduce plaque buildup. Ginger and lemon improve blood flow and decrease inflammation markers. Even apple cider vinegar has been found to help regulate lipid levels. When you combine these natural healing powers, your arteries begin to cleanse themselves naturally. Your blood becomes less sticky, and your heart begins to work more efficiently. But remember, no drink can work alone. If you want long-term results, combine this habit with simple lifestyle changes. Eat more plant-based foods, fresh vegetables, and fruits. Avoid refined sugar and processed oils. Stay active. Walk at least 30 minutes a day. Manage stress through deep breathing or prayer. Most importantly, stay consistent. Healing happens over time, not overnight. Your heart is like a loyal friend. Take care of it, and it will take care of you for life. Think for a moment how many people lose their lives to heart attacks every single day, not because they didn't have medicine, but because they ignored the early signs. Don't wait for a warning. Your life, your family, your dreams, they all depend on the health of your heart. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars or depend on endless pills. Just start with small, natural, consistent actions. Even 1 cup a day can be a step toward reversing damage, restoring energy, and reclaiming your health. Your body is an incredible creation. It knows how to heal, how to cleanse, how to thrive if you give it the chance. So today, make a promise to yourself. Take that 1 small step. Drink that 1 cup, because the choices you make today decide the strength of your heart tomorrow. Stay kind to your body. Stay consistent, and remember your heart is worth saving. Your life is worth healing. And you are capable of amazing transformation, 1 sip at a time. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs hope and healing today. And don't forget to subs.